Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to share in this video, uh, talking to the people who are looking to start their own tax preparation service who haven't taken action yet. So I got a special promotion that is going on until June 22nd. You'll never see it again at this level and at this investment price. And this is for people who just don't have the finances to start my monthly coaching program of 197. So if you don't have the money right now, but you want to start your own tax preparation service, and you're serious about that, you're going to be dedicated to the calls. You're going to make sure you take action and follow through on the training and all the stuff you need to do inside your business to be ready for the upcoming tax season, which starts in January of 2022. Then this here is definitely for you. So I specialize in working with new clients who are looking to start their tax service, who've already done the research or already went to Google or YouTube and typed in how to start your own tax service. And you get all these different videos you get to choose from and watch to see who might be a good fit for you. Or you go to Google and type in how to start your own tax service, and you get a bunch of results on another page, and you got to click each link, and you got to still determine who you think got the best information for you that you can implement inside getting started. And if you already went through that phase, and if you already tried and you've had challenges on creating a secure account, because that's one of the new things uh, which started, I'd say, about 2 or 3 years ago when it came to starting your own tax services. The IRS has shut down the website when it comes to certain features and functions and applications. So they want you to open up a secure account. And the biggest issue that's going on with people is that they might have a credit card, they might have a student loan, they might have a mortgage line of credit or car loan, but they're having issues with setting up the account, which takes multiple times to make happen. And so after trying so many times, a lot of them just give up. But you got to keep going on. You got to keep trying until you're able to create that secure account. Because once you create the secure account, everything else falls into place. Because what you're looking at right now is the irs.gov website. If I told you to go to our irs.gov website and create a secure account, would you know where to go to even start that process to making that happen? And so for a lot of people, they don't. And so if I told you once you create a secure account, you need to put in an e-file provider's application, but before you did that, you need to set up your business credentials as far as having a business name and an EIN number. Would you know how to do that? And even though that's not mandatory, if you're going to be a sole proprietor, it's recommended that you have an EIN number when it comes to doing business. And so all the clients I work with, I recommend that they get an EIN number, which is free if you're not planning on incorporating. So if you're not planning on incorporating your business starting out, it's free because incorporating is a state filing fee, which varies based on what state you live in. So if you're the person who want to start your tax service, you already done the research, you already went to YouTube, you checked out several people, their price point is not in your budget right now, and you really want to make this happen for yourself, this opportunity I'm giving you is one that's a no-brainer if you're going to take action. Now, the promotion I got going on is not the one that I just created tonight. This gives you 6 coaching sessions versus 3 for the same one-time $7 investment. So for $7 and 6 coaching sessions, which is designed to help you set up your tax service, it's a no-brainer. So if you're serious about starting your own tax service and you using money as an issue, with this promotion that I'm doing for a one-time investment of $7, where you get to work with me for 6 different sessions of a minimum 45 minutes each, which is enough time to help make that happen, and you don't take action on this deal, then something wrong with you. That means you're not really serious about what you say you want when it comes to starting your own tax preparation service. So the question I have for you is, if you already done your research, if you already done how to start your own tax preparation service, and you got this information written down or you printed it out based on what they've given you, have you been able to implement the information that you've researched? If you had any success with creating a secure account, did you take the next steps to making your tax service happen? If you haven't took any action on any of these things, regardless of the reason, then the $7 one-time investment, 6 coaching sessions, which is designed to help you work with me to help you set up your tax service, is a no-brainer. This ends June the 22nd, which you got 3 days to take advantage of this special $7 promotion. with 6 coaching sessions to work with me. Because like I say, the biggest challenge is going right here to this website and being able to do the things you need to do on this website to make it happen. So my coaching program is a fast track to success, which is designed to help take all the guesswork out for you by working with me. Leveraging my 20 years of experience, 14 as a business owner in this industry, and this career industry at that, is a no-brainer for a one-time fee of $7, which you get my ebook, which I wrote last year, which is the actual steps I take my clients through. And I'm updating that book. And when it come out, if you already purchased this book here by June 22nd, you'll get the updated version for no charge. And that's an added bonus that I don't even mention on my sale page. So I got a sale page that I'm gonna show you inside this video for people who are ready to take action on that one-time $7 investment. So this is my sales page. You go here, you scroll down, you read a little bit about what I'm talking about. If you ain't already a subscriber to my channel, see, these are things you get. You get the tax preparation ebook. You get 50% off my 1040 software because I sell my own software. You get a 30-minute consulting call where we're going to talk about some things to see if we're a good fit for working with one another. And at the same time, if we decide we are, then you're going to schedule those 6 different coaching sessions between now and the end of this year, because coaching sessions are expiring December 31st of 2021, because it's all about you being ready with your tax service by January 2022. So leverage these 6 months left in the year, which means July the 1st we start quarter 3, and then quarter 4 to end out the year, and having you ready for your tax service to be up and running is the goal. So for a one-time $7 investment on this page, you can take action, pay for it. I'm gonna reach out to you. We're gonna do that 30-minute consulting call. From there, we're gonna set up sessions that's gonna allow me to work with you to help you set up your tax service and give you information needed to help you get started. Especially if you're new, you don't have no prior training or experience, you need to learn how to prepare individual income taxes. I'm able to help you with that as well. So my full service solution to helping people start their own tax service is what I offer. Take advantage of the $7 deal. Get the 50% off the software for upcoming tax season. Get the 6 coaching sessions that's going to help you set up your tax service by working with me on 6 different occasions, and receive 50% on the monthly coaching program that I have, which is $197 a month. But if you purchase this special promotion before June 22nd, and you decide you want to enter into my coaching program, instead of paying the $197, you'll pay half of that. And so those are the bonuses and perks you get by working with me. And once I get you on the phone, I can share more in detail and in depth on what I can do for you if you decide to work with me and partner with me and helping me help you start your own tax preparation service. So this is my sales page. Like I said, I talk about a little something, but not much. And from there, $7, even though I say monthly, that's just something that's there. It's a one-time payment. And like I say, and if we go back here, our Jaguar website, you know what I'm saying? I got clients who I was able to work with who helped set up their business side of it in one day. She was able to create a secure account the same day. From there, she already had a credential set up for a business she's already doing. So I told her she can use the same credentials because she wants to incorporate it, so she can use the same credentials. She did that. She went to the e-file provider's application. She filled that out. She submitted that. She called the IRS to get 2 fingerprint cards. She got fingerprinted. She submitted those. And right now, she's waiting for her application to be approved so she can get her EFIN, which stands for Electronic Filing Identification Number, which is the number you need to buy professional software and work with third-party banks that's going to collect your tax preparation fees on your behalf. So this process of starting your own tax preparation business can be a challenge and frustrating for most. And so to take out the guesswork, leverage my experience, leverage what I had to bring to the table with my coaching program, take advantage of this $7 investment, which is going to definitely pay off big time, because for $7 to get to work with me on 6 different occasions that's going to help you set up your tax service. And all of this setup that I'm talking about is basically free. Only thing you're going to pay for if you decide to incorporate now, which is a state filing fee. If you decide you're going to incorporate later, then an EIN number with a business name is free. That letter you're going to get from the IRS, you're going to need that to help go open up a business account at the bank. You want to have your own payment processors so you can process debit and credit card. So there's a whole lot of moving pieces to set up your tax service that I can help you with in these 6 sessions and have you ready for upcoming tax season for a one-time investment $7. And you get the 50% off the monthly coaching fee, which is $197 right now, but you pay half of that if you decide that the value that I bring in my coaching program is worth you having it to help you have someone on your team that's experienced and seasoned to help you with all the different situations that's going to happen inside your business, because that's what happens with everybody who has a business who knew. The learning curve for that varies based on who you are as an individual. But you're going to learn as you go. You're going to make errors. But if you're working with me all the way, I can help you alleviate those pitfalls that I went through back when I got started. So take advantage of this one-time deal, $7 payment, 6 coaching sessions. Like I said, again, this promotion ends June 22nd, 11:59 p.m. Central Time. So if you're ready to get started, you've already done your research, you even attempted to make it happen, but you found out it wasn't all that easy to implement, then this is a no-brainer special promotion for you to make happen. The IRS website I showed you, and how to, if you can't maneuver through that, you need someone who can help you do that. These 6 sessions will give you plenty of time to make that happen. $7 investment, can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? Tax preparation skills and knowledge you need to learn. I got a course for you that you can learn from that's going to help you with that. It's going to cost you, though, because you're only paying $7 to help you get set up. But if you join the monthly membership coaching program, then that's included. And you get 50% off that. So instead of paying $197 a month, you'll just pay $97 a month. So you can't beat the special promotion I got going on right now for people looking to start their own tax preparation business. So when January 2022 come around, you want to be ready. You want to have your knowledge and skills tight. You want to have the software that you're using, being able to maneuver through that, being able to fill out returns sufficiently and adequately in a short amount of time. You want to have everything set up to go when game day comes, which is in January, whenever the IRS released the due date for tax season starting. You want to be ready. And I can help you make that all happen with this one-time $7 investment. But you definitely want to upgrade into the monthly coaching program, which gives you 50% off, because you're going to need all my support when it comes to having this tax service. This here is just designed to help you get started, but to help you maintain and build and grow, you need someone on the team that's going to be there to help you every step of the way. This $7 investment was just designed to help you get set up. That's it, and that's all. But for further coaching and further training and further mentorship, you need to join our monthly coaching program. And like I said, if you purchase that before June 22nd, you get the 50% off the monthly membership. You get to work with me for 18 months, but you only pay for 12. So you get an extra 6 months as a bonus to help build a foundation for success with your tax service. And if you take the actions that I give you, and if you follow the instructions, you do all the things that I suggest you do, you will definitely make 4 to 5 figure income in your first season, hands down. Now, I made $40,000 in my first year, and as an income disclaimer, I got to let you know my results are not typical. The average person not gonna make $40,000 in their first year. But the big difference was, number one, I was already working in the industry for 6 years, and I had my credentials set up, and I simply came a time when it was time for me to move on, and I just let people know who knew of me that I had my own tax service, and I was cheaper than Jackson Hewitt. And so I produced over $40,000 over 125 clients in that first season. And it's possible for you, because if I did it, you can do it, but you got to take action. You got to get started now. So the next step is to go to my sale page, pay the $7. We do that 30-minute call. which is going to allow us to get to know about, help us learn more about one another, get a good feel for one another, and then from there we set up appointments that's going to be strategic in what we need to do to help you get your tax service up and running so you can be ready for January of 2022. So if you're ready to take action and you procrastinated for whatever reason, don't make me no different. I just want you to get started. I want you to do what you say you want to do when having your own tax service. That's why I came out with this special promotion because I'm thinking about people who truly want to start their own tax service, but for whatever reason haven't taken action. This is a no-brainer, $7 one-time promotion that I won't be doing on a regular basis. So take action. My contact information inside the video will be there as always. Call me up. You can even any question concerns you have first, call me up. Let's talk about it. Let me get those concerns and issues out the way so you can go back to the site and take action on the $7 investment so we can start working with one another to get you ready for the upcoming 2021 tax season, which starts in January 2022. So I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm looking forward to getting calls from you to see if I can help you to help yourself get ready for the upcoming tax season, to see if I'm a good fit for you when it comes to helping you start your own tax service. That's what it's really all about. So if you work with me or not, it's okay. Plenty much success to you, but take action because action takers make it. People who don't take action, they don't make it. So you got to take action on what you say you want to have in your life in order to get the life you say you want to have. And so I'm excited. I'm happy about the last 6 months of the year. I'm up and running. I'm getting ready for myself as well to be ready for the January 2022, which represents the 21 tax season. And I definitely see you in my next video.